Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to make your own scrub using 2 ingredients. For this we're going to use organic extra virgin oil and organic sugar. Olive oil has vitamin A, D, K and E, and for that reason it's very good for your skin and for your health. If you don't find organic sugar, you can use regular sugar and that is fine. Now use a container that has a lid and add some sugar to it. Then just add olive oil and don't forget to mix it very well. And it should look like this. Now if you want to fill up the container, this is the perfect time, and just add once again sugar plus the olive oil. So at this point mixing it should be very easy. Now I use this scrub for my entire body and my face, and let me tell you that my skin is looking so much better since I've been using it. What I normally do is use this product before showering and I scrub my skin for 5 minutes doing circular motions. Now if you find that the sugar is too thick and it's a little bit rough for your skin, what you need to do is wet your body first or your face so the water will dissolve a little bit the sugar, and for that reason the size will be smaller and more soft for your skin. After I'm done scrubbing, I remove the excess of oil and sugar with warm water, and immediately I can feel that the skin is extremely soft, and the best thing is that I don't have to use any type of cream or moisturizer after it. By the way, I use this scrub twice a week. And this is the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you wanna see more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!